Meet Dino. Today, he's learning logical reasoning with fun puzzles and brain teasers. Let's join Dino on this exciting adventure.
Let's see our first question. Which among the following is the heaviest? Is it deer or carrot or parrot or elephant? Yes, it is. Elephant is the heaviest among all. Next question is, John visited the beach on 3rd Saturday of April 2025. On which date did he visit the beach? Yes, it is. 3rd Saturday of April 2025 is 19th April. So John visited beach on 19th April 2025. Next question is, which dinosaur is standing second from the left-hand side? Yes, you are right. M dinosaur is standing second from the left end. Next question is, which dinosaur is standing between M dinosaur and T dinosaur? Yes, you are right. S dinosaur is standing between M dinosaur and T dinosaur. Next question is, which of the following is the thinnest? A book, or a microphone, or a bottle, or a pencil? Yes, you are right. Pencil is the thinnest among all other items. Next question is, which shape is missing in the given figure? Is it a triangle, or a circle, or a rectangle, or a square? Yes, square is the missing shape in the given figure.
Like and subscribe.